So as you know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and you want to find the best meal that you and your partner can stay home and have for Valentine's Day. Okay, let's dive into the ingredients. I'm going to show you step by step how I do this. So I have some potato here. I'm going to just peel them, wash them, and let them boil softly. Up next, we're going to season our lamb chops. So in this, we have garlic and ginger powder, like a teaspoon, and this is just ginger powder because I want it to be a little stronger, so I add a little more ginger powder to it. That's just ginger powder. And I'm going to use Maggie all-purpose, which is 1 teaspoon. It's just 1 pound of lamb chops. So right here we have cayenne pepper, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit here. Up next we have paprika, and I'm going to squeeze a little lime on the meat and just season it up and let it stay there for like 2 hours. So you want the season to marinate nicely. Just going to cover it up with a ceramic wrap and put it back in the fridge for 2 hours. While this is getting ready to soak, I am just going to prepare the sauce for the potato salad. So I'm going to go in with 1 can of coconut milk. Then I'm going to add some alfredo here, 3 tablespoons of alfredo. Oh guys, and I'm making 2 pounds of potato. I'm going to cut 3 pegs of garlic in here, and I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. I'm going to put this on low to boil. So the potato is ready. I drained the water off, and then I'm going to start making the salad. So first I'm going to put a piece of butter. Then I'm going to crush the potato. Now I'm going to add the milk. Yes, so it's boiled, and I'm going to just add some here. And it's all done. So just crush it nicely and then put it in a bowl and just let it stay there until I am ready for it. Up next, I'm going to get my lamb chops pot roast. So I have 3 chopped garlic here, and I'm just gonna place it here in the pot. Add half cup of water and just gonna cover it up to simmer. Check on it 10 minutes later. The fire is on low because I don't want it to burn. I just want it to tenderize. Now I'm going to go in with some chopped scallion, onion, and bell pepper. Add a little bit more water and cover it up to simmer. Right now, I'm gonna get dessert ready. So I have some strawberry here. I'm going to wash them. Put them to drain. Then I'm going to get some chocolate. I'm gonna put this in our pot on low heat so it could melt. I'm using some toothpick to stick the strawberries. Okay, so we have the melted chocolate here, so I'm just gonna dip the strawberry in here. And then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator to get cold. So they could set. And here it's time to turn the light down low because I'm about to share dinner. So the string beans are boiled. That's the mashed potato. Yes, and now I'm adding the meat. It's a little bit too dark, right? But it's Valentine's Day and you gotta turn it down low. Let me know, guys, if you try this menu. Adios.